This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the road type master data template in the property tax module. The roads constructed in a state are classified into certain categories which could be on the basis of the width of the road, construction material or the function and location. Road type is one of the key factors defining the unit rates, and hence configuration is needed for the digit module in order to describe the property and what are the taxes it could attract. Download the data template to configure the road type master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 4 data columns. In the road type code column, provide a unique code for each type of road. Now enter the road type name in English. And, finally, enter the local language name for the road type. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for road type. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of road type. Thank you.